Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Edita General. I am 28 years old. I am married, blessed with one kid. My educational attainment is high school graduate. I have 5 brothers and 2 sisters. I am number 5 of the family.
Please tell me about your working experience.
I have working experience here in the Philippines since 2015 and 2018. My job duties is to take care of children aged 13 years old. I teach them English, I assist them in their homework, household work, cleaning, cooking, marketing. And I have also working experience in Hong Kong. In 3 months, I take care at 2 years old, a baby boy. I also take care of a Labrador dog, household chores, cleaning, cooking, marketing, and car washing.
Okay. What if the baby cries or children naughty and not listens to you? What will you do?
If the baby is crying, I will check if the baby is hungry or sick or the diaper is dirty. And if the baby is sick, I will inform my employer first. If the children is naughty, I will try to listen what they want and I will be patient.
Okay. Why do you want to work abroad and who will take care of your children?
I want to work abroad because I want to earn more money and save for my daughter and support my family needs. My mother and husband will take care of my daughter.
Okay. How about if you have homesick?
I can manage, ma'am. I will pray and I work so hard in household chores.
Okay. Could you sing a song in English?
Yes, ma'am. The wheel on the bus go round and round, round and round. The wheel on the bus and round, all day long.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, sir, madam, please hire me as your own maid. Rest assure you that I will do all my best to serve you as your own, as my employer, and I will follow your rules and regulation. Thank you.